Hey guys, welcome back to Engineering with Chai. Today we're working on practice problem 1.9 meant for CSWA prep. Let's dive right into it. So this is millimeter grams per second and we're working on something that looks like a Lego piece, maybe something similar. So let's work on so there's many ways to work on this problem. As usual, we're going to work on the top plane for now. Where's the origin at? I don't even have the origin at, so we can just make it anywhere. Let's make it on the top plane. Let's build that base pad thingy by 100 by 170 by 1. So let's do that first. Center rectangle over here. Perfect. Give this a dimension of 175 and give this a dimension of 100. Okay, base pad is constructed. But how much is the height of that base pad is a real question. If we lift it up, I mean that's 30 by 25 and the top part is also 25. That's the side view. Okay, that makes sense. So it is actually 30 plus 25 plus 25 is the entire height. But where do we keep the origin at? I guess we can keep it on the top. So turn that into a feature. It's pretty simple to, oh wait, go to blind, change the direction, pull it down. You simply just type it in here like 30, 25 plus 25. That simple. If you're feeling nervous, because sometimes I do get nervous too. I literally have to type in 1 plus 1. Okay, so let's go here. Where is our plane here? So the origin's up here. Just double check. Okay. Now, what do we need? We can build the. Well, did we make the entire thing? Oh, we did make the entire thing. How about we just ignore, I mean, reduce this by 25 because we don't want the top uh, holder looking thingies. So we can just say 80 minus 25, right? 80 minus, oops, where's minus? Can't find minus, minus 25. There we go. It's 55, so that's just the entire height. So let's go back to the top where we started. Let's sketch here and make those little rectangle thingies. Let's just make one here, corner rectangle. Let's coincide this to this as collinear. Let's collinear this to this. That's collinear. Okay. Now, the important thing is, do we have the dimensions? We do. Perfect. Okay. So this is 40 and this is 22. Perfect. Now let's mirror this. Select this and mirror it about this axis. Perfect. Now select this and mirror it about this axis. Oops, I messed up. It is this axis. There we go. So now that the mirrors are done, exit this sketch and pull it up 25. It's the only reason why I reduced 25 earlier. Oops, that is 25. There we go. So now I do want to check the overall height of this. Is it 80? So how do we check that? I guess we can just go to evaluate, measure, select this surface, and in the y, I guess distance is already given to us, so that's 80. So that's perfect. Now we can go to the opposite side and cut it out, which is also 40 and 22 on each side. So how do we do this? I guess we can literally, on this surface, sketch while extracting all of those convert entities that. So that, that, and that, all those four faces have been convert entities. And we are going to be cutting it inwards. How much? Is it 30? 30 inwards? Yeah, it's 30 upwards. So exit this sketch. Well, let me double check. Is it 22 and 40? Yeah, they're exactly the same. Okay. So features, extrude cut, and go blind by 30. Right. There we go. So what do we have here now? We got something like this. It's like we're looking retro tank figure. I don't know, maybe. Anyways, this is done, so let's go check the volume. Our volume is 944900. Perfect. Well, thanks for watching and see you in the next one.